Yeah, so good morning to everyone. We have come to the end of the first chapter, and now I'll be discussing the final topic, which is uses of metals and nonmetals. So, uses of nonmetals, metals and nonmetals in that part, basically, nowadays metals are used everywhere, and nonmetals are actually very essential for us, for the human beings. So, nonmetals are used in fertilizers. Non-metals are used in many water purification processes. Non-metals are also used in crackers. Metals are used in various devices. Metals are used in various utensils. Metals are used in making many items. Then, in many cases, we see that metals which are made of copper, or metals that copper are made or gold is used to make those metals. Those are very essential. So every day we are surrounded. If we wear a gold, that is a metal. Everywhere we are surrounded by metals and non-metals. So there are a huge number of metals and non-metals beside us. So basically the uses of metals and non-metals you can find out from the book itself. Okay. So we finish this chapter. This is not just a theoretical part. Uses of metals. 1 or 2 mark give one use of metal non-metals. So generally we discuss. Now we will discuss the exercise question. Now, exercise question will be homework for you people. Okay, class 8 I am talking. Exercise question will be homework for you people. But before they give homework, I will discuss the exercise question once. Okay. So, you have to write on your own. Exercise question write on your own. I will just discuss once. So, in the exercise question I have with me the book. Question number 1. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Which means you need the most malleable metal. Zinc, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen. Oxygen or sulfur and oxygen cannot be the answer because they are non-metals. Phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen are non-metals. So they cannot be the answer. So zinc is the correct answer. Similarly, question number 2, 3 and 4 you will do as homework, that I will not discuss with you. Question number 5 I have already discussed with you as a table. Appearance, hardness, malleability, ductility and heat conduction, conduction of electricity. Question number 6, if I come on to question number 6. Give reasons for the following. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Because aluminium foils are non-reactive. They do not react with food. And aluminium is light in nature. Clear? Finished. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. Immersion rod makes the thing heat or not? It is made of metallic substances because metals are good conductors of heat. Don't write electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat. Copper cannot displace zinc from its salt solution. Copper cannot displace zinc. Do you remember I told? Copper cannot displace zinc because copper is less reactive than zinc. And it lies below zinc in the electrochemical series. And so it cannot displace zinc. Clear? Okay. Next. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Yes, because sodium and potassium are very reactive in air as well as water. Question number 7. Can you store lemon pickle in aluminum utensil? My goodness. Can you store lemon pickle in aluminum utensil? Explain. Answer is no. Because pickle has acid and aluminum is a metal. Metal on reacting with acids gives you what? Remember? Salt plus hydrogen gas. So metal on reacting upon acid gives you smell of hydrogen gas, liberates hydrogen gas. So that gas can spoil the food. So it is not advisable to keep lemon pickle in a aluminum utensil. Question number 8. Students, will be homework for you. I will not discuss. Question number 9. What happens when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate. Okay. Students, dilute sulfuric acid placed on a copper plate means what? Cu plus H2SO4. Cu plus H2SO4. Which means this reaction is not possible. Because copper cannot displace hydrogen. Because copper lies below hydrogen in the series. So copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So there will be no reaction. Cu plus H2SO4, there will be no reaction because copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So nothing will happen. Iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. This answer you have in the notes which I gave you. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected the gas evolved in a test tube. Charcoal and, okay. How will she find the nature of the gas? Burning charcoal has carbon. So carbon when you burn means C plus O2 gives you CO2, which means carbon dioxide is the gas. How can you find the nature? Okay. Carbon dioxide gas, CO2, is a non-metallic oxide. So this is acidic in nature. So we can pass the gas through a moist litmus paper. Moist मतलब पानी होना चाहिए. We can pass the carbon dioxide gas through a moist litmus paper, and the color of the litmus paper will change from blue to red because non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. This is the answer. Write down word equation of all the reactions. Okay, Saroni took a piece of burning charcoal. So charcoal you pass through this one. This is C plus O2 gives you CO2. And that CO2 you are passing through moist. Moist mein hai pani. So H2O plus CO2 gives you H2CO3. This reaction I have already given. Any other question? One more question. One day Rita went to a jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave an old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day when she brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest a reason? Yes. The gold lost weight. Because that gold was dissolved in a solution to get it polished. That gold was dissolved in a solution to get it polished. The solution being acidic in nature, washed away some parts of the gold. As a result, the weight of the gold reduced. This is the answer. If you want to know about the solution, that said solution I will tell you, you will get, that is solution is called aqua regia. Aqua regia solution is used to dissolve metals. So as a result, when her jewelry was dipped in that particular acid solution, what happened? Some of the gold was washed away along with the solution. So this is the reason for the loss in weight. So with this we are over with the metals and non-metals chapter also. So I am giving you a few days time. So you are getting Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days you are getting. Monday I may take a chapter test of this chapter, metals and non-metals. Monday. Okay. Monday I may take a chapter test of metals and non-metals. So I'll let you know if I take. I'm not sure till now if I take. I may give you Monday the worksheets of metals and non-metals. Let me see. So read this. I hope you have gone through the video very carefully. And thank you very much. So please stick on nicely. Please study. It's very crucial time. You people are at home. Study properly. And we have finished with the 4th chapter, metals and non-metals. So read this, study, hope this video you go through. Write the questions in the particular copy properly. And if some questions already written in the notes, then don't need to repeat. Okay. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay happy. So next week, I will give you worksheets and be prepared with this chapter because I may take a chapter test. If not Monday, I may take some other day. Chapter test of this chapter. Okay. So thank you very much, students. Happy day. And bye-bye. Take care. Good night.